Why do HVAC repair warranties vary between companies? They vary because each company sets its own coverage rules, uses different parts and labor policies, and accepts different levels of business risk. An HVAC warranty explains what a company promises to fix if the same problem returns after a repair. One company may cover both replacement parts and labor, while another may cover only the part. The warranty period can also change depending on the repair, such as 90 days for a small adjustment or 1 year for a major component. Manufacturer warranties are separate, and they often cover a failed part but not the technician's time, travel, refrigerant, or installation work. A lesser-known detail is that many warranties become invalid if another company works on the system afterward, because the original company cannot confirm what was changed. Some warranties also require regular maintenance, clean filters, or proof that the equipment was installed correctly. Before approving work, ask the company to write down the exact coverage, start date, exclusions, service fees, and steps for making a claim. Keep the invoice, model information, and maintenance records, because these documents can make a warranty claim much easier. A common mistake is assuming that a manufacturer's warranty covers everything, so ask whether labor and refrigerant are included. Another mistake is choosing the longest warranty without checking exclusions, so compare the actual coverage instead of only the number of years. People also sometimes wait too long to report a repeated problem, so contact the company quickly and describe the symptoms clearly before making changes to the system. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.